whatever the file I was deleted now from my computer, this file was permanent deletion or temporary? Temporary deletion. How can you say? Because your deleted file, if it was there in recycle bin, then you just confirm that my file was temporary deleted. Suppose your deleted file was not there in the recycle bin, then it's a permanent. That is your indication now? Yes. So now I was deleted FF1 and FF1, suppose in this recycle bin, if it is available, then user has a chance to restore again because that is a temporary deletion. So I have a chance to restore. If it is not available in recycle bin, then we called a permanent deletions and there is no chance to restore. Okay, now let me come out and now just open your recycle bin. I open here. What it was? FF1 file is available in my recycle bin. So your file is available in recycle bin. It means that this file is temporary or permanent? Temporary deleted. So now tell me, this file can I restore? Is it possible? Yes. How to restore now? Now I'm going to recycle bin. I'm going to recycle bin and the file I selected. Click right mouse button. What is the option? Restoring here. So the file was successfully restored from your recycle bin to your desktop. Okay. This is common thing everyone knows in a computer when you're working with that. Okay. Same logic, same implementation, Oracle people also designed. Okay. Na? So whatever the table I'm going to delete it from my database, okay, whatever the table I'm deleting from my database, so this table will be there under recycle bin. So now where is my table student means the student table is having under recycle bin. That's the reason. Can you see whenever you want to call select star from tab, here in place of student some address was showing here. Can you remember now? Some address was there. This is called as a object name or object address we called. So this address, if it was showing in my tab list, then you just confirm that my table is not permanent, my table temporarily deleted. That is one confirmation to the programmer whether my table is permanently deleted or temporarily deleted. So temporarily deleted, how I knows that? Means that, okay, how I knows means when you have to open your tab, in the tab, suppose bin, recycle bin, the bin address, object address, if it is showing us, that means in your recycle bin, your student table is located in which address level. So that address will be showing in your tab list. Okay, it's nothing but object address name. It was available or showing in my tab list. Then you just confirm that the table is a temporarily deleted. Suppose this address is not showing. This address is not showing in my tab list. This address is not showing in my tab list. Then confirm that my table is permanently deleted. Understand? Na? That is what it was going to be happen. And now, okay, temporarily deleted. Now we understand that. But this temporary deleted data, where it was means it was there under recycle bin. So that's why the people was introducing Oracle 10G Enterprise Edition, not Express Edition. That's why starting only I said to you, Express Editions don't use because it doesn't support all the futures. But Enterprise Editions are supporting all futures. So from 10G, Oracle 10G, Enterprise Edition, from there onwards, once user is dropping a table, the table is temporarily dropping. And those tables, when you want to restore again, okay, there we have some new features are introducing by Oracle Corporation people. The new features are what it is here. Can you remember? New features in DDL. What is this? Recycle bin, flashback command, and purg. So these are the things we need to use. And whenever you want to see your deleted table is temporary or permanent, then how I can restore. These cases, you have to use these new features. And these features are introducing in Oracle 10G. In which edition? Enterprise edition. And these features are not available in Oracle 10G Express editions. Oracle 10G Express Edition, 11G Express Edition, 12C Express, 18C Express, 19C Express. So in these Express editions of any software version, you didn't find out these features. These features are available only enterprise editions only, and that too from Oracle 10G onwards. Oracle 10G onwards available. Okay, na? So now write down the point here. Take some note point. Before Oracle 10G Enterprise Edition, 10G Enterprise Edition, once we drop a table from database, okay, it was permanent, dropped. Whereas from Oracle 10G, Enterprise Edition, once we drop a table from database, it was temporary. Okay, now, so now take it here. New features of Oracle 10G Enterprise Edition. Okay, so what is the new features here? The first one we called as what now? Recycle bin. Second one is called as what now? Flashback. Third one is called as what now? Purge. So in this, the first thing we will discuss about a recycle bin. So recycle bin is just like the Windows recycle bin in your computer. So in your computers, the Windows recycle bin, how I am using, okay, this Windows recycle bin, how we are using in computers, same as your recycle bin in database, it will be work like that. It was similar to Windows recycle bin. Okay, now? And now, in this recycle bin, what kind of informations will be stored, sir? In this recycle bin means, sir, this recycle bin, in this recycle bin, whatever we drop your tables, how many tables you drop from your database here, every dropping table information will be stored under recycle bin table. So it is like a table. The table can, how it can store information here, same as a recycle bin is also one predefined or system defined table. In this table, your dropping tables informations will be stored. Okay, now, so that is the purpose of your recycle. Okay, what I'm saying here. So it is a system defined table. It is a system defined table or predefined table system defined or predefined table in Oracle. That's the first point. Okay. It is used to store the information about dropped tables. Store the information about dropped tables. Okay, right. So now suppose, sir, how I can see my dropping table informations in my recycle bin means there is a one syntax was there. Okay, what is the syntax here? To view the information or to view dropped tables. Okay, in recycle bin. So how to view dropped tables in recycle bin? There is a some syntax was there. So the syntax should be follow. What is my syntax? Select object underscore name, comma, original underscore name from recycle bin. From recycle bin. So your object underscore name is nothing but address. Whatever the address was showing in my tab list, okay, in my tab list, whatever the address will be showing, the bin address, in this address location only, your table information will be stored. So that is address location. And original name. Original means your main name of the table. So what is the name of the table? Student. So student is my original name of the table. And the table will be keeping under recycle bin on particular object address name. Okay, now the both it was. And when I want to execute this command, I can see it now. Okay, let me come out. So if I want to see, first I will go for desk recycle bin. I'm calling now. So recycle bin. Okay. Now desk keyword I'm using for to view the structure of table. And what I'm saying here, recycle bin is also one of the system defined table. So now system defined table structure first you have to see. There are so many columns in this structure. Can you see these are called as a column names? And in this column, some columns are not null, some columns are null and having some data types. Can you see? It same look like your table structure now? Yes or no? Yes. So these are all are called as what I'm saying here. These are columns. These are columns data types. And some, okay, columns are not null. Some columns are what now? Null. Okay, this is complete. If you identify, this is complete one table structure. So that's why recycle bin is also called as a table. And which defined? System defined, not a user. So I already said to you, whenever you want to installing your Oracle software, along with software installation, some predefined tables also coming to us. Understand? Na? In those tables, recycle bin is called a one of the table. Okay, and in this predefined table, your every dropping of table informations will be have. And now you can see in this so many columns are there, but first two columns you can see. What is the column? Object underscore name column. This column is which type of data type? Varchar2 data type this is. Next one is what now? Original underscore name. This is second column. So this column is also varchar2 128 size. So these two columns now I'm going to call. Select what I'm saying here. Object underscore name, comma. What is this? Original underscore name from which table? From recycle bin table. Okay. Now we can see the recycle bin after. Can you find out here? First one is called as an object name. This is called a object name. But whatever the object name or name address, whatever it was showing in my recycle bin, the same address is also having in your tab list. Can you see the tab list? Both addresses are same or not, you can check. This is recycle bin address memory, address will showing in recycle bin, and this is your database memory, your recycle bin. Now both recycle bins are same now. Sorry, both recycle bin object addresses are same now. Yes. So in recycle bin object address, in database object address, both are showing same address. Okay now. So in this address, which table is stored? Student. Student table is what? Original table. Student is what now? Original table. And this table will saving under which address? Bin address. Recycle bin address. It will be saved here. So this is the way I can see my dropping tables information under recycle bin. Okay, right down below. So syntax, that was syntax, and you will get like this. And the next also, to view the structure of recycle bin. So what is the syntax for viewing structure of recycle bin? Means same structure, desk, recycle bin. That's it. So these are the two things that should be remembered, guys. Right down below. Okay, right. So next after, to view the structure of recycle bin, and that is the syntax. That syntax also take it now.
నేను అన్ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసిన అవును సిక్స్ పోతా అసలు ఫోర్లో అయినా పోతాయి కదా బోర్లర్లో అయినా కొడతారు ఎన్ని కొట్టినట్టు సిక్స్లో బ్యాటింగ్ ఆడే కూడా కొడతారు బోర్లర్లు ఫోర్లో అయినా కొడతారు
Completed now. So now next command will take siding. What is the next command here? Flashback. Take next command, flashback. So flashback command, when I want to use this command means whenever you want to restoring your table from your recycle bin memory to database memory. So there we can use what now? Flashbacks. Okay, now present my table I successfully deleted, but deleted table where it was here in a recycle bin, the table is available. Okay, now I want to restore that. For restoring for restoring purpose, I'm using what now? Flashback. And right down below, it is a DML command. It is a, sorry, DDL. It's a DDL command. So which is used to restore a dropped table. Okay, restore a dropped table from recycle bin to database memory. From recycle bin to database memory. What is the syntax for this command here? Carefully observe. The syntax was we called as here flashback, table name to before drop. So this is your syntax of flashback command. Okay, now flashback table name to before a drop. Now, let me come out and see. I'm going to using this syntax here. So first I have to check in my recycle bin still my table was there. And now the table I need to flashback now. So I'm using here flashback table. Which table? Student to before drop. Then what happened here? Flashback command is successfully done. After that, you just call your recycle bin. Now I'm calling my recycle bin now. Tell me, table is there or not there? Not there. So now you can see in my recycle bin, there is no rows. So your table is not there. So your table is not there in the recycle bin. It means that your table where it is now in database memory. So that database memory data or details, if I want to see, tab. Now you can see in place of your address, again your table was schema. Yes or no? Yes, table came. And this table, if you want to call, okay, then the table data, structure, everything I can restore here. Got it my point now? This is what flashback command advantage. In our interviews also asking the question, how to restoring dropping tables from recycle bin location to database memory location. If anybody asks you, so this syntax and example explain to them. Right down below.
ఇప్పుడేం మీటింగ్ రా సరే ఎయిట్ సెవెన్ ఫోర్ ఎయిట్ టూ కొటేషన్
Huh? Hmm. Brother, died. Okay, go fast. Brother died, mother died. See, whatever you're telling that word, very serious word. Yes or no? For only skipping classes purpose, you are telling like that, na? You are a waste fellow in the world. Skipping purpose, if you're telling that big statement, it's not a simple statement. My brother is a dead means, anybody say like that? No, no. It should be true means you have to tell. but only skipping classes purpose. Don't use this kind of big word. You just come out, sir, I have some work, sir. Okay, that is, I'm happy for that. But this much big lies, uh, that was telling lies that I don't know, but telling that don't use that words here, please. You wanted any permission, I will give it. But you are enjoying as purpose. My grandmother mar gaya, my mummy mar gaya. What yaar? It's the minimum human psychology now. Our humans now. Minimum love and affection should be there now on people. For your skipping purpose, you are giving this much big statement. Hmm? It's a good or bad? If it is really happened, okay, I can't do away. No one can do anything. But skipping classes purpose, don't tell this kind of lies. Why are you telling lie? If you want it, need a permission, sir. Okay, go. Over na. Huh? But I don't know this guy is either true or false. I don't know. But whatever it may be, other people, for any skipping classes purpose, that much lie is not necessary. I'm telling now. Okay, na? That much big statements are not necessary. We are also human being. We also know that mother sentiment, sister sentiment, father sentiments, yes or no? Huh? So that's why maybe that is good, right or wrong, I don't know. But he was telling like that. Okay, that's why I'm shocked. Brother die, grandfather die means maybe I can understand, because age is 60, 70. Okay, mar gaya hoga sahib. Yes or no? 70, see, 80, 90 people when there was die means it's not a big shock to us. My point, understand. For example, suppose my grandmother is there, a 90 plus grandmother. Suppose if any information come to me, your grandmother Sudhakar, your grandmother is dead means it's not a big shock, because already 90 plus, now reaching to century, my grandma. So see, that means okay, I can manage that word, I can handle that word, because 90 plus candidate maybe. But brother means how I'm thinking, youngster, yes or no? So we can't say like that now. Maybe that is shocking to me. That's why I reacted like this. Uh, anyway, don't tell that kind of big words. Okay, uh, right. Flashback is clear. Huh? Yes. Now you are observed one more thing. So file is deleted. File is deleted. Deleted file will go to recycle. From recycle, that file again restore. So same thing is happening in database also. Table is deleted from database. Deleted table was there in the recycle. From recycle, by using a flashback, I can restore. That's okay. My next question is, suppose here I'm creating some files now. File FF number 2, file FF number 3. Okay, na? So here total 3 files in my computers. And every file treat as a one table. Your computer is nothing but your database. File is nothing but table. Recycle bin is nothing but recycle. Okay, now if you compare similarities, you can understand. So now I'm going to delete it. Okay, these files now. File 1, I deleted now. File 2, I deleted now. File 3, I deleted now. So how many files deleted? 3 files. And these 3 files are deleted from my computer. And these files, where it is now? In recycle bin. I just go to open, and the recycle bin is going to be having. So my question is, after number of files you deleted from your computer, out of these 3 files, now I want to delete a specific file permanently. I want to delete. Is it possible? How it is? Come to your recycle bin, select your file. Yes or no? Come to your recycle bin, select which file you want to delete, okay, permanently from your computer. Okay, so that file should be select, click right mouse button, and again delete option is there. Click on delete. But once you click on delete, one window was open. What it was saying? Are you sure that you want to permanently delete? See, it was asking to you. Okay, the confirmation it was taking. So now your operating system will take a confirmation, either yes, because once you deleted this file, this is which type of deletion? Permanent. Again, you cannot restore it. So now if I wanted yes, I want it means choose yes button. So now I'm choosing yes. File is deleted. Now tell me, ff2, can I restore now? No, because it is a permanent deletion. Okay, na? Same concept. Let me come out here. The next command is called as what now? Purg. Take siding. The next command, purg. So purg. This command, what is the use of this command? You can observe. It is a DDL command. It is a DDL command. So which is used to delete a table, delete a table from database or recycle bin, from database or recycle bin permanently, from database or recycle bin permanently. Okay, na? Hmm. So now here three different cases are there. Okay, case one. In case one, okay, deleting your specific table from recycle bin permanently. Okay, first case. Okay, to delete
వీళ్ళు పోతారా
a specific
శ్రీలంకలో పోతారా
table, to delete a specific table from
నాకేంది అడగడం నువ్వు చెప్పేది
recycle
ఎక్కువ
bin.
చేస్తున్నా
So whenever you want to delete like that, there is some syntax we have here. The syntax is called as purg. The syntax is called as purg table and give it as table name.
వాడు చిన్నచాడు నోబాల్ ఎందుకు నెంబర్ చక్కన వాడేసి కావాలనే వేసిండు నేనే లేను
Okay, come out. So how you deleted number of files, and after that specific file only you want to delete permanently from recycle bin location. How you did in the previously, same as in practical database also. Come out and see. First of all, I'm creating some more tables in my database. Test number 1, serial number integer. Next, test number 2. Okay, na test number 2, name column varchar 2 of some size. So present in my tab list, how many tables? 3 tables are there in my database memory. Okay, na? Now these 3 tables I'm going to drop. Student drop. Next I'm dropping here. Test number 1 is also drop. Next test number 2 also drop. And now after that, you just come out and see your tab list. 3 tables I dropped here, but that is not permanently dropped. That is temporary. So that's why the 3 tables bin location address, your recycle bin address locations are having here in my tab list. So in these bin addresses, bin first you can see na bin, 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 recycle bin. So in recycle bin, in so and so addresses, your deleted tables are there. Okay. And now I want to see those information now. So what we are using? We are using select object underscore name, comma, original underscore name from recycle bin. Now see in my recycle bin table, object names. These are object address name. In this address location, which table is there? Test number 2. In someone's address, student is there. In someone's address, test 1 is there. So that means in my recycle bin, I have how many files? 3 files. In these 3 files, any one file I need to drop and delete in which way? Permanent way. Then you have to use this command. What is the command? Purg table. The table name is equals to test number 2. What's happened? Purg table purg. Then after, you can call your recycle bin. In this recycle bin, your test number 2 is there here. There? No. In your tab list. In your tab list. There? No. Reminding what it was there? LQ. LQ. LQ means which table? Student. Easy. Test table. So test 1 student is left in my recycle. Those table addresses only showing in my bin also. Sorry, in my database memory also. Okay. And now after test number 2 table is deleted, then you will be trying. Somebody is asking doubt. Sir, now can I do flashback? Yes, of course. You can do flashback. So flashback table, which table? Test number 2, 2 before drop. Then what it was happening, you can see. What it was happened? Sorry, it was showing error. What is that? Object not in recycle bin. Because permanent deletion so that it doesn't showing in my recycle, and that's the reason I cannot flashback. Understand na? This is specific table how to delete from recycle bin permanently. Understand na? Write down below.
ఇప్పుడు వికెట్ పడింది అది వేసుకో అంత కింద పోయింది బాగా వేసుకుంటే 500 దాంట్లో వాడికి అంత ఊగిపోయింటాడు మోకాల కంటే కింద పోయింది బాల్ కింద కూడా వాళ్ళంతే వీడియో తీసినాడు ఎలా వచ్చారే గోడ కట్టేవారు వచ్చారు కొంచెం ఇప్పుడు వికెట్ పడింది అశ్విన్ గారు చెప్పేది నువ్వు అని ఇప్పుడు ప్లే చేస్తామంటే టోటల్ స్కోరింగ్
Okay. Case number 2. In the second case. Case number 2. What is the case here? To delete all tables from recycle bin. From recycle bin. So in this case, how we can go to write this? Okay. And what is the syntax for this means? My syntax was, okay, purg recycle bin. Purg recycle bin. That's it.
ఎవరికి వాడు వాడు మ్యాథ్స్ తీసుకుంటా
Okay, no? Right. So now it means what, sir? Let me come out and see. For example, in my recycle bin, okay, how many files here? 2 files or 100 files are there, for example. Is it possible, can I delete these 100 files at a time from my recycle bin permanently? Possible? Yes? How to do? First I have to go recycle bin, select this all file, control A. After selected this all files, click right mouse button and click on delete. So now it was asking to me, are you sure that you want to permanently delete these 2 items? Okay. And you say yes. Then what happened? Your entire recycle bin will be what it was? Empty. So that means at a time, the whatever the number of files we have in the recycle bin location, at a time that all files can be deleted permanently. That is possible. Same concept, same action come to your database also. Now present in my recycle bin, how many tables are there? Let you check. How many tables are there in my recycle bin? Two files are there. So now what I am doing here, I don't want to delete a specific one. I want to delete all. That means complete my recycle bin should make as a empty. Okay, na? In this case, how we can use means we are using what now? Purg. What I want to do? Purg recycle bin. That means entire your recycle bin. If you 100 tables or 1 lakh tables or whatever it was, everything will be clear. Understand na? So now I done. And what it was happening, recycle bin is purged. Then after, let me come out your recycle bin. What it was showing? There is no those information. And come out your select star from tab list also you can see what it was showing. No, even though object name also not showing, because of reason permanent deletion. Understand now? This is the second case when you want to recycle entire purge entire recycle bin right now.
ఇవన్నీ అయ్యారా సెలెక్ట్ అయినాక డబ్బులు కట్టమంటారు సెలెక్ట్ అయినాక డబ్బులు కట్టమంటారు
Okay, now here in these two cases can you see either specific table or all tables? These are deleted from which location? Recycle. So that means what happened the process, first we are deleting table from database memory, deleted table going to recycle, and again we are going to recycle. From recycle we are deleted. If you want to delete a permanent, yes or no? So this much process I need to follow. But your question is, sir, why should I want to go this much lengthy process? I want to delete my table from my database memory only directly. Understand na? For that means, for example, I'm creating one file. The file was XYZ. This is one file. This file, what I'm asking, this file from this computer without going to recycle bin, can I permanently delete? My question is not understand na? What I'm telling, this file I want to permanently delete from my computer without going recycle bin. Is it possible? Huh? No. Yes sir. So as of now you didn't try like this? No. What here? Today I'm getting shocked. Huh? As of now, no one tried like this in your computers. Not possible. Without recycle bin, I can't directly delete this file. Can I delete this file permanently from computer without going recycle? Then why people saying no? Hey, don't tell this information to outside people here. Laughing here, really? Huh? Yes or no? It's a very simple question. Don't say this is also I don't know means. Arey Bapre, how you can become a software engineer? Yeah. Oh my God. Huh? Sudhakar sir, very careful. Otherwise, I understand now. I want to teach very carefully. Huh? Yes, it is possible here. Why it is not possible? I want to delete this file from my computer. Huh? Permanently I want to without going to recycle. Possible or not? How to do? Saying yes. How to do means? Huh? ये क्या action है यार? How to do? Select this file. What is that? Shift plus delete. Shift plus delete क्या सर? ऐसे मत पूछना. And don't ask me, sir, what is shift plus delete? And कहाँ से आया वो? From where it is? From where it is? From your keyboard. कहाँ से नहीं आया ये? Keyboard से आया ये. Shift plus delete. Even though, can you see when you do this directly to drop from your computer, are you sure that you want to permanently delete this file? Again, it was asking to you. Yes or no? Because it is a permanent deletion. Temporary deletion means it doesn't ask you. But permanent deletion means definitely it was informed to the user. Are you sure or not? Okay. So now I say here what? Yes. So the file was deleted from my computer. There is no file in my hard disk now. Okay. And still, even though you can go to recycle bin, do you have any file? No. In my recycle bin is also no file. So that means that file is permanent or temporary? Permanent deletion. So same as come to database now. Present in my recycle bin location, no table. In my database location, no table. Okay, fine. Now I'm creating one sample table, the table number, okay, T or test number 100. I'm passing some serial number and passing some name columns. Fine. Okay. Then after I inserted some data into test 100. Okay, sending values of 1 comma A. And now I just committed to permanently save this. And finally, the table was showing in my tab list, the table number test 100. And now whenever you want to call this, test 100 was going to be showing your data also. And now what I want to do, this table, I want to delete from database memory permanently. Understand now? I don't want to go again recycle bin. Yes or no? That I don't want it here. The case number 3. What is this here? To delete a table from where it is? From database. From database permanently. From database permanently. What is the syntax for this? What is the syntax for this? The syntax was drop table name. And up to here, if I use this command, what it was happen? Your table temporary or permanent? Temporary. Okay. Now I want to use what now? Perg. So I'm using the perg keyword along with the drop command. Then it will be permanent. Okay, let me come out and see this here. In my tab list, test number 100 is there along with some data also. Now I'm using drop table name test 100. What is the statement? Perg. So table dropped here. But now you can see in your tab list, do you have any address? In my tab list, it was showing any object address? Not at all. So that means it is a permanent. And now let me have any doubt. You can go to your recycle bin also. Is there any recycle bin? No, there is no test 100 table in my recycle bin. Is there no, okay, what we called no table in my tab list also. Okay, na, in my tab list. So there is no table in recycle, no table in database. So it means permanent. And when you dropping the table, if you all try like okay, you are try like a flashback table. Which table? Test 100 2 before drop. If I'm using like this, okay, now what it was happening again? Object is not in recycle. So that means what you understand, guys? This flashback command will be work on which database? Recycler. Recycle. From recycle, your table want to restore, then only flashback. Flashback is working on recycle memory, not as database memory. Understand now? That's why you are saying what it was. Your table object is not in recycle. If it is there in recycle, flashback is working. If it is not there, flashback is not working. Understand now? So this is what now finally your purg statement in three different levels the people are using in their work premises. Okay, write down.
Also, is there a flip side to it, Sunny G and DK? If you play with two low hands and the ball jumps at you, is there a chance of gloving one to chocolate silly point? Is that something which can happen? Yes and no.
Okay.
If you have low
Now,
hands,
at your practicing
sometimes
level,
slightly
one note
difficult to
point should
adjust, but
always
also if you
remember,
have slight normal hands
especially
slightly
to
higher, that
working with
also
these
gets you
three
into trouble with
commands
one
now.
that bounces
Okay,
higher
now,
than that
what
one.
does that mean, sir?
That's an anomaly a lot of
Whatever
times
the
when it
three
bounces a little more
objects
than
I
what it
said,
should.
the
But the
three
chances of you
futures,
kicking away the lower
recycle,
ones is much
perk,
higher if you have a
and
slightly deeper
flashback.
backward.
These three commands are working for only users. In user account only, these three commands are work. But if you try these things in your system administrator account, these are not working. For example, let me
So you've
see.
got a normal back leg, and you
Now
bring the
I'm
ball
going to
back down at the
connecting
ball
with,
where the
because so
guard
many
is
people
somewhere
confusing
closer to
here.
the knee, where you
Connecting
can
with
see his
who
hand
is
start off
this?
in a much lower
System.
position. And
System
hence
is
the
not a
difference
user. System is a
when you play straight.
administrator. Is a
Lower hand,
admin,
chances of
database
you
admin.
controlling your defense
Suppose the
is much
same
higher.
thing if I do in the system admin, what it was happening to me, observe. I will be set my page size. What are these? I will explain. Don't worry. So now in this admin, okay, how many entire your database, how many tables you can check it out. Some tables are
But the
there.
wicket lost a bit of
Yeah,
pace
test 1,
because we
test
all know how it is
150,
when you
test
go
200,
slightly
test
over pitch
44,
ball,
test
which
55.
is
Some tables are there,
not
and you have a
carrying through
tab
as much
table.
because a couple of
Okay, na?
wickets from
So these are
Mohammad
some
Siraj did
predefined
carry this
tables.
one
All are
to
there here.
just died after
These are
pitching.
all are my predefined
It does
tables.
look
If you
like
see
that.
like
Maybe,
this
of
here,
course, Siraj likes to bowl with the scrambled seam.
okay, na? So these are all are
So if it's
predefined
landed on the leather,
tables. Okay, na?
it won't
Right.
bounce that
In
high.
this system
But yes, I think we've seen
administrator
a lot
account,
of the deliveries
along with
deep low,
predefined
and they're
tables,
coming slowly
some
off the
user
surfaces, of which
defined
the reason
tables
I think
also there. That
the
means
spinner should be
administrator
drawing the
created
batsman
tables.
forward,
These are.
getting
So in this, suppose any
getting the
one table,
batsman
if
out of
I
danger.
drop
But when they
table,
can't
test
change the
number
shot,
1 is there here. Okay. The test number 1 I'm dropping now. After dropping this table, so many students at that practicing
that
level,
is bowled
what
well
they
this
think
time.
about this dropping table is having under recycle bin. So they're trying on recycle bin.
Both stepping a little bit too
I'm
much,
trying now
unlucky.
recycle bin. What's
They did
happened?
about the wicket of Manas, but ended up
No
overstepping, and
table.
then
That
they had
means
to face the brunt of their long
from
partnership as well.
account, from system account, whatever the table are you deleted, that is permanent. That is permanent. And there, your recycle bin is not showing any table data because that is a permanently deleted. That's why it is not showing under recycle. So that means what do you understand? Flashback, recycle,
It comes to
purge.
retain
These are
the
the three
sequence.
futures are using by programmers, not
150 pitches.
administrators. In administrators, these are not working. These are working under users only. Okay, na? This point clear, all of you, na? Yes. So now we can come back and write down. The above three, the above, the above, the above three futures, the above three futures are working under user. Who is my user? MyDB 2 p.m. Working under user account. Okay,
Another D
user
score from
account,
Mohammad Siraj.
but not,
Again gone 115 for 2.
but not, okay, but not in admin. Database admin. So admin account. Admin. Who is admin? System. But not in working under user account, but not in admin account. This point should be very clear while you are practicing. Okay.
Australia red. Match day 1 of this third test match. India will
Okay, na?
for 109.
Clear all of you? These are complete your DDL operations. So today we completed your
It's a very good
DDL.
line for the right
And
hander.
tomorrow
To the left
I will
hander.
go for DML
Off the leg
operations.
stump.
Okay, how to
It's only for the
perform
first bit of a
those.
problem.
And today we are
Wicket
discussing
keeper.
this one
Yes,
now.
good leg. Excellent wicket.
Yes or no? So online students, already your Google Classroom link, my people already kept into chat box.
How to
So
get the
please
media
take
waiting
that
for
link
the
and add into Google Class. Okay, na?
He's found it
The
slightly
Naresh
high
I
to leg the
Technologies,
ball.
sir.